హాయ్ అండి. 150 square yards G+2 house near Aminpur. This is 30 feet road. All are independent duplex G+1 houses near Aminpur. And back side apartments, roughly that is 100 apartments. On this side total 400 apartments coming. And this is commercial rental building, total 150 square yards G+2. And this south side, this is a southwest building, this side south, and this side west entrance, and south side commercial shutters, either one shutter, total one shutter, supermarket or any bank can put here. Total 400 apartments here, independents and everything constructed. Total roughly independent houses 500 houses, and apartments also 400 apartments coming here. And here we can make it three shutters or one big shutter, commercial, either supermarket or kirana shop, medical, anything. This is G+2, that is commercial side south. We are going inside. This is the entrance, G+2, staircase outside. Here car parking. Here car parking for the first floor. Bore is there. From that apartment middle 10 feet gap is there. This is car parking. We are going first floor, staircase. Work is going on. Present the brickwork completed. Plastering work is started. Nearby all are independent houses. You can see out view. And this is first floor. First floor entrance. Corridor, north side. Here TV unit. Kitchen, open kitchen. Puja room, open kitchen. Window, wash area. Master bedroom. Inside shelves. Attached toilet. Plastering work done. First coat painting is started. Children's bedroom. Inside shelves and balcony. Backside apartments. They are given a 18 feet gap here, gap from house to that apartment. Total 400 apartments coming. And corridor. This is north side corridor. Children's bedroom. Double bedroom. Rent is minimum 10,000 we can expect. First floor double bedroom. Cupboard is there for storage purpose. Bathroom upside. This is also sit out. And we are going second floor, staircase. Total 150 square yards. Outside view. 150 square yards. Per floor 1225 SFT. Per floor. 3 floors 3700 SFT. Here rail coming. And again north side corridor. Entrance, west entrance. Here is a hall. TV unit. Again open kitchen, puja room, window, common toilet, master bedroom, inside shelves, Window is there. Attached bathroom, western toilet. Final work is going on. Paint work started. Double two-side road. Southwest building. Kitchen, dining, and we are going children's bedroom. Inside shelves, children's bedroom, inside shelves. Again back side balcony, north side corridor. This is building G+2 house. Each floor 1225 SFT. 3 floors 3700 SFT. Plastering work done. Paint work started. How you see all our independents and apartments, gated community. Nearby Aminpur Chil. Very beautiful lake. Surroundings, independence duplex houses. You can see, I will show the. We are going top of 4th paint house. How you see outside view. Those apartments are Aparna Construction, Chandanagar. These are all independent and duplex houses. How you see. We are come up terrace. Again we can construct. If customer has budget, there is a pillars. 2 pillars are there. We can construct. Again 2 floors or 1 floor. Customer's choice. This is outlook view. From Lingapalli it is roughly 3 kilometers. Surrounding apartments, independent duplex houses, gated community, which may complete roughly 2 months total building hand over there to those buyers. 30 feet road, 2 side road, 30 feet. This building, southwest building. This is 30 feet south. This is west 30 feet road. Already 3 shops are there. This line. Rental building. Price is 1.5 CR. 1 crore 50 lakhs. LIC, HDFC Bank will loan come. Within 2 months, building hand over. Down to the first floor. We are downline at present roadside. Same position. Again same building, same floor. Where we started, we are here. This is 150 square yards, southwest building. Per floor 1225 SFT. Total 3 floors, 3700. Rental will come roughly 48,000 or 40,000 minimum, worst case. Paint work, plastering work started. Plastering little bit pending. It started. Backside 400 apartments coming and independent duplex also. Roughly 400 houses. For more details, visit our website, subscribe our channel. For more the information you will get. G+2 rental house.